Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'd like to share with you a content marketing strategy that you need to try moving into 2021. So not too long ago, I made a video on how to write blog content. I had a mask on showing a Python script that I went in and created that pumped out some content that was relatively funny. Now, as time has progressed, we have a new language model called GPT-3 that was created by OpenAI. Now, OpenAI has released a beta testing version to some people to get access to this new training model, which I signed up for. But there are multiple tools out there that are utilizing the API already, and that's what we're going to showcase today. So I want to share with you the article that was written by GPT-3, as you can see right here, and it's on theguardian.com. You can go ahead and feel free to look at the content for yourself. There was some scrupulous activity going on. Maybe there were some edits, but with that being said, it was still pretty good. Now, aside from that, I launched a page on my website, which we're going to showcase and share as why is SEO important. Now, we're going to utilize two tools that are currently using the GPT-3 OpenAI beta, the language model. We're going to use that. And these two tools are called, one of them, and I'm not affiliated, they don't even have an affiliate program, right? I'm just sharing them. So there's Copysmith, which I've already taken the liberty to add some content in, and it's given me 3 text pieces here. All right. Now, aside from that is Virtual Ghostwriter, again, utilizing the GPT-3 data set. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to do what is SEO. We're going to utilize this right here, which is from the Moz blog. Hopefully Rand doesn't mind. This is for SEO. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to get another one here. We're just going to go right into here. Why is SEO important? And we're going to take this, copy it. Here, how about this? We'll take this here and we'll bring it over here. We'll add it, and we'll get the title. Okay. Now, I want to share with you some content that I already pulled out of this particular tool that I'm showcasing here called Virtual Ghostwriter, which I'm not affiliated with. It's just a cool tool. There's only so many that are actually, using this AI, and they're doing it publicly. So this is one of the 2 that does the best of what I'm looking for. All right. So that's why I'm sharing it with you. So this is what was written out of this bot just moments ago, and the quality of your on-site SEO is one of the determining factors when it comes to your site's overall capacity to rank in search engines. So this is AI written, which is pretty darn good. Now, with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, and I signed up. All right, let's get rid of this. All right, let's clear this out. All right, and let's try this again. So we're going to go in here and we will get it from here. What is SEO? Let's go with this one. Okay, we'll put that in here. We'll paste it. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go in here and we're going to grab this. Okay, we'll copy and we'll bring it right in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this article, this results, 608 characters. And while that's being done, we should have some content over here. All right, so this is what they've given me back so far. Now, what's great about this is they only tick me for 1. So it's not that big of a deal, really. But with that being said, my goal here is to launch this content. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add in an element underneath this. Okay, we'll paste this in. All right, we'll come back over here and we will copy this. All right, and we're going to bring it right over here. We're not even looking, we're just literally putting this stuff right on the page, and we're going to see how it performs by itself without changing anything. We're literally just putting it right on the page here. All right, let's go over here. We'll grab this, put it underneath. All right, and we'll paste that in. All right, now we're going to come over here to our virtual. Remember, this is what they gave us the first time. And then here's what they gave us the second time. Okay, we'll copy that. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to add it over here. Okay, and then this is why it's so important. All right. Okay, we'll just paste that right in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to call this a day here. We will go in here. Let's add the footer. Okay. And then that's going to be it. But that's going to wrap up today's video. I want to go ahead and launch this footer. So insert a footer. Saved footers. And it's this one here. Insert the footer. All right, so now we have links going across the page. So we have the H1. We have our content here. Let's see what kind of page we have. I want to launch this together so we can see how we do. The footer is there. Okay, perfect. So then we will preview. All right, and what we're going to check for is the amount of content that we have on the page. So we have this. Let's go ahead and save our work. And then we'll head back over here to the landing page. Okay. And again, we could get more and more. Each little topic we could throw into the tool, but I did this for sake of time just to showcase the two tools that are out on the market utilizing GPT-3 for content creation. Now, so far, these are the best that I have found. You can get more out of here by tweaking it. If you want to play with either of these tools, they're pretty fun to play with. You can also sign up for OpenAI's beta program so you can start implementing and trying out different strategies utilizing the API yourself, which I have done. But I wanted to showcase this content marketing strategy utilizing AI because I do feel that it's the future. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and launch this particular page here. So let's get back inside of here. We'll go to our dashboard. All right, we're going to go to our pages, all pages. And what we're going to call this is we're going to quick edit because it is and we're going to call it the same title. Why is SEO so important? We'll copy. And we're going to see in 2021, right? And then why is SEO so important? Okay, so that's what we're going to call that. We'll go ahead and publish. We'll update. All right, so quick edit. So why is SEO so important? So let's go take a look at our page. Okay, so we'll go to Chris Palmer Marketing. And again, this is all AI based. We did not write any of this content. We simply just grabbed it and pasted it. Let's take a look at our density. All right, we have a 3% for SEO, 673 words. So we generated 673 words from this tool. And we're going to go ahead and see exactly what happens from this. And hopefully it's good results. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you want to go ahead and read some of this content, head on over to Chris Palmer Marketing, why SEO is so important. This entire page was AI driven from the GPT-3. This is an excellent content marketing strategy that you definitely need to try out for 2021. Hopefully it advances. Hopefully I get beta access and we can utilize a better tool to really pump out some big articles and we can maybe change some densities. Who knows? But my name's Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions related to SEO, content marketing strategy, really anything at all, always feel free to go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And I most certainly look forward to seeing you in the next content marketing strategy for 2021 video. Have a wonderful day.